So one of my goals this year was to grow my YouTube business, and I finally got my third channel monetized. Not sure if you can see it, but as you can see there, I made an estimated revenue of $0 because I'm only monetized with the 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. But it's still technically monetized to be able to get like super chats, super thanks, and channel memberships. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in order to get monetized through ads. And currently, I have 3,300 watch hours. So I'm like, actually, no, that it hasn't been updating properly. So let me just filter out to go to last 365 days just to give you guys the exact number. So as of right now, as I'm recording this, I have 3,500 watch hours. So that means I need 500 more watch hours in order to be able to make ads on my gaming channel. So this will be my third channel that is monetized. Currently, you're watching on what I would consider my main YouTube channel, and my main YouTube channel currently generates over 100,000 views within the last 28 days. And I decided to get the DJI Pocket 3 just to simplify the creative process. And I am loving this camera. I love the fact that it could just kind of track you, and the audio quality of this wireless microphone is pretty fantastic. So, like I said, I already have one monetized channel getting over 100,000 views, and then I had another YouTube channel. This was what I would consider my secondary channel, and this channel got me, it just takes a little bit for it to actually load and figure things out. I'm using the YouTube Studio app just to see how many views and how much revenue I'm generating. So my secondary channel got 57,000 views within the last 28 days. And that's a pretty hefty amount. And I only recently started publishing on this channel again because, like I said, I made it a goal this year to grow my YouTube business. And I've got to say it's going fairly well so far. I have a goal of growing the YouTube business in addition to losing some weight this year. And I gotta say, growing the YouTube business is going better than the losing weight aspect. I'm currently down like 7 pounds since the beginning of the year, and started to track my food hardcore again. I took a little bit of a break there, a little bit like a cheat week, which you shouldn't really do when you're on a diet, but couldn't help it because I just had a few days of just not being able to choose what I ate. But okay, so on the gaming channel, I currently have 6,000 views within the last 28 days. And like I said, I've made $0 from that channel so far. And I'm also trying to get a fourth channel monetized, which is why I wanted to buy this camera, because my goal is to have 4 monetized YouTube channels. I don't know if down the road I want to have a 5th, but it's just kind of fun to me to start off new channels in different niches just to try figuring it out and seeing if I could actually get views at some point. I'm not too sure if this channel will stay my main channel forever. If one of my other channels start getting more views than this channel, it's possible that I might pivot and increase production on one of those channels, just because I could always turn this channel into a guides/tutorial channel like it originally was, but I just wanted to try something different on this channel since I got the new camera. So the fourth channel I have that hasn't even reached step 1 of monetization, I just got it to 500 subscribers. So 500 subscribers, and within the last 28 days gained 6,000 views and 343 hours of watch time, and gave me 72 subscribers, which is really good numbers for a channel I only publish like 1 or 2 videos a week on. And taking a look at my watch hours for this one, within the last 365 days, I got 1,000 watch hours. So I have a goal to also monetize this channel, and most of my views spiked in the month of December of 2024. So if I'm able to get 3,000 watch hours between now in December of 2025, then theoretically I should be able to monetize this YouTube channel as well, assuming that I have the 1,000 subscriber requirement, which should be possible. If you guys want to check out this channel, this is the channel I'm working hard on now. It's primarily focused on reselling magic cards, and I'm also breaking into the Pokemon card market, and might also do some like reselling of other stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Just reselling stuff is basically just documenting my business because I also have an interest in that field. So I'm trying to see if I could grow a business within my business to be able to do that. So that is a goal there. But at the same time, I'm also trying to figure out how to grow my media business. And I'm doing so hopefully by increasing revenue with 2 additional monetized channels. And I'm also started to ramp up production with the Amazon side of things. If you guys are not aware, I'm part of the Amazon influencer program, which basically means I have an account on Amazon where I could upload Amazon review videos. Like I have a couple of videos that I had to do, one of which being like this gaming controller. I get in contact with brands or agents who work with brands, and they facilitate like shipping the product, getting in touch with people that are in the Amazon influencer program. I also have this this neck fan here. Not sure why I'm holding it that way, but yeah, this neck fan here. So going to be reviewing that as well, and that's another reason I decided to buy the DJI Pocket 3 is because I want to ramp up production for my Amazon stuff as well. So what was I saying? Yeah, trying to increase production on YouTube stuff and the Amazon stuff. I currently have like 471 or 72 videos on Amazon, and trying to increase that amount. Ideally, by the end of the year, I would like to have like 1,000 videos if possible on Amazon, or close to 1,000, because I started actively and hardcore contacting people for more product. And I believe that the Amazon side of things is going to be pretty easy to scale because there's so many sellers on there that want to like send you the product to review. And there's so many agents out there that are looking for influencers that, because they're working for the sellers to try to promote or like get media produced for their clients' products. So sourcing, really easy with that. And then once I actually get the products from the sellers or the agents, then I could also sell the products that I don't use. And I'm actually going to be working with one of my buddies who regularly sells things on Facebook Marketplace. Like, hey, if you sell my product, like if I give you all these things, if you could just sell it for me, I'll give you a portion of the profit, and most of the stuff that I'm getting from these sellers like is going to be at 0 cost, so it's going to be 100% profit. So it's going to be a good situation. I get to just throw a bunch of the products in the box, and then he comes and picks it up, and then takes the pictures, and then sells it on Facebook Marketplace, and then we decide on a cut, and then there we go. I get to just offload all that stuff, which is going to be great for me because it's going to save me time, and I'm going to be able to produce the videos without having to worry about all of the actual physical product that I'm going to be getting. So Amazon Influencer Program. If you guys are content creators, look into that. All you need to do is have any type of following, sign up for an account, get 3 videos approved, and then you could get your videos posted on product pages, and then you get commissions for the sale. It is a great passive way to make some income. I would say it's pretty similar to like YouTube. Like you just create the piece of content, and then that piece of content is just kind of there. Like it's a digital real estate. It's just hanging out and just making you money while you do whatever, whether it be sleeping or just making more content. So yeah, I'm very excited what this year has in store for me in terms of like growing the media business and trading card business and whatever else we decide to do here. So this camera is really awesome, and it's going to be so helpful to document the whole thing. So if you want to hear more about this stuff, then feel free to subscribe. And if you like the video, like the video. I'll see you guys later.